Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a Saturday and it's time for us to do my cash stuffing. By the way, thank you for the 161 subscribers. I woke up this morning with that number and I thank you and may the Lord bless you all. So let's start. This is how my coins jar looks like. So I am saving all the new peso coins, new models of the Philippine peso coins. So then when this is full, the money will go to my emergency fund. So this week, I have this much. Yay! I collected so many coins this week because we have an ice candy business. I have many coins and the money jar is about to be full. Maybe we will be counting this soon by the end of February. And it's now February 25. The days are so fast. So let me set that aside. And then let's go to my bills or monthly expenses binder. Again, this binder is from Leather Tribe BH and I made it personalized. So my first name is engraved on here and this is pronounced as Oriel. Okay, we will be cash stuffing a total of 1,440 pesos this morning. This is a variable income. I got this because I was able to have money left from the electricity bill because I have budgeted more than what is required. And it's amazing because our electricity bill went down 500 pesos. Wow. So the 500 pesos is now here and it will be stuffed with for my other envelopes. So let's start. Church will have 200 pesos. Last video, this was empty because I already gave my offering to the church. Now I'm setting aside 200 pesos for the church offering. Next is family. Family will get 200 pesos. I will get from the 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. Again, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. This goes to my parents whenever they ask me for something. I will pull out from this envelope. Since you know that I'm the daughter who still lives with the parents. Okay, it's normal in the Philippines that when you're unmarried, you still live with your parents, and somehow it saves me a lot of money, and it gives me more time to spend with them. I get to see them get old. They get to see me get old too. Okay, so I'm enjoying the years that I'm still with my parents, even though sometimes there are a little bit of misunderstandings because of the generation gap. But we praise the Lord that He still binds us in His love. Okay, so let's move on to food. Food will not get anything because I still have enough here. Food still has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 50, 600, 50, 700. So 700 is still enough until the next salary. Also, we like to eat vegetables and my boyfriend sometimes bring food here in the house because he likes to cook and he shares food with us. So that saves us money in the food category as well. And he has his garden, vegetable garden, so sometimes he just get the vegetables there and then he shares it with us. So it's a win-win. Yeah. Electricity has nothing. I will stuff this when I get my salary. And then price gas has 50 pesos left because I bought a refill this week and it cost me 450 pesos. It was actually 455 pesos, but I only pulled 450 from this envelope because I had a 5 peso coin left in my coin purse. Next is my YOLO. It won't be stuffed this morning, but it still has 100, 200, 300, 400, 400 pesos. This will be stuffed when I get my salary. This is for my You Only Die Once fund. Okay. Washing machine, I paid the washing machine for this month and I will not be stuffing it this morning. Groceries, groceries will have 200 pesos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1,000, sorry, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. That's 200 for groceries. I think I just need to buy some for the kitchen. Maybe some condiments for the kitchen. So this will be enough for this week. Okay, self-care will not get anything because I already bought the products that I want, my lotion and some other stuff for self-care. Clothes, it won't get anything for the meantime, but this will be stuffed when I get my salary because I need to buy new shoes for work. Yeah, clothes and shoes, one category, one envelope. Eating out, this will be stuffed today because my college classmates are going to visit me and I plan to bring them to the nearest cafe this afternoon. So this will be stuffed with 500 pesos. So 100, 200. Why am I counting this way? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. Okay, and then let's have these 250s. 300, 50, 400, 500. Okay. 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500. 500 pesos for eating out. I miss this girl so much. This group of girls are my classmates when we were in college, and um, it's been months since we last met each other because we're busy in our work. We work in faraway places now, and I'm happy that they're going to come here this afternoon. Yes, transportation will get nothing as well because I'm not planning to go anywhere this week. That's it for the spending binder. Next is the sinking funds. Okay, for the sinking funds, Perk will get nothing. The 300 pesos is still there because I don't know, the treasurer was not able to collect it this week. So now, business will get nothing as well because I already bought the the ingredients for this week's um, food business with the ice candy, and then we have crackers for this week to sell. So I already bought them, so it will not be stuffed today. Then gifts will not be stuffed today as well. Birthday has still nothing, so I'm going to stuff 100 pesos in the birthday envelope. Okay, so let's have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. What is happening to me? I don't know how to count. Yeah, skip counting my 20s. I keep on thinking 100. That's 100. Now I have this tracker. It's in dollars, but I'm going to be using this in the peso. And let me pull. I'm going to color. Okay, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And then this is 50. Then we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, I'm going to color all the fives. All the fives is worth 50 pesos. Then we have, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Include the stars. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times 5, that's 50, then 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We have 100 pesos in our birthday envelope. Next is the travel. Next is the travel. Travel will get 100 pesos. I don't know if I will be able to travel this year, but let's just have something here because it's still empty. So each airplane is worth 50 pesos. So since I'm stuffing 100 pesos, we will be coloring 2 airplanes. Let's use a different color. Yes, that's 100 pesos. And farm will get 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. There's still left 40 pesos left. I have 100 pesos here for the farm. Okay. Now has, wait, let's count. It has 1,000, 2,000, 500, 3,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 50, 750, 770, 90, 4,010, 30, 50, 70, 4,070 pesos on this category. Yes. And, okay. Oh, I will put this 40 pesos on the business envelope. Okay. So that this will be stuffed as well. Since, yeah. Okay. Let's count. Business savings has 120, 40, 60. 160 for the business. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for giving me your time and joining me in this cash stuffing journey. I hope that you have a blessed day. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and like this video. And always remember that if it is a need, it will be provided. Bye!